Do you know where the coldest place on Earth is? The answer might not surprise you. It's Antarctica, but not just any part of Antarctica. It's the high ridge between Dome Fuji and Dome Argus near the East Antarctic Plateau. This frigid region holds some truly fascinating facts. First up, the lowest recorded temperature on our planet. This bone-chilling record was set at the Soviet Union's Vostok station in Antarctica on July 21, 1983, where the mercury plummeted to negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, that's negative 89.2 degrees Celsius. The extreme cold in Antarctica isn't just because it's the South Pole. The high elevation, dry air, and clear skies all contribute to this icy climate. With such little water vapor in the atmosphere, the surface cools rapidly. Believe it or not, Antarctica is a cold desert. It sees very little precipitation. Pair that with the freezing temperatures, and you've got one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Ever heard of polar night and midnight sun? During the Antarctic winter, the sun stays below the horizon for an extended period, plunging the region into continuous darkness. But when summer rolls around, it's daylight all the time. Moving on to the ice. Antarctica is home to the largest ice sheet on Earth, containing about 60% of the world's fresh water. In some places, this ice sheet is several kilometers thick. But it's not all ice. Antarctica also has dry valleys, with almost no snow or ice covering the ground. These valleys have incredibly low humidity, making them some of the driest places on Earth. Despite the harsh conditions, Antarctica supports unique wildlife. Penguins, seals, and krill have all adapted to the extreme cold and call Antarctica home. Countries from around the world maintain research stations in Antarctica. These stations help us study the climate, geology, and ecosystems of this icy continent. Antarctica is also known for the Antarctic ozone hole, which forms during the southern hemisphere's spring. This ozone hole, caused by human-made chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons, has significant implications for global atmospheric chemistry. Finally, we have the Antarctic Treaty. Signed in 1959, it designates Antarctica as a scientific preserve and bans military activity on the continent. Many countries have signed it to promote international cooperation in scientific research. Understanding the extreme conditions in Antarctica is crucial for climate science, glaciology, and understanding the Earth's overall environmental health. So, while it may be the coldest place on Earth, it's also one of the most important.